Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to select any conversation and then you need to click on three dots in the top right. And here you can see the option of more. Click on that option and then you need to click on block and click on block. Now you can see that this person is blocked and he is unable to send me message. Now you can see that you blocked this contact, you can see that. And how you can unblock, you simply need to select that contact and click on you unblock this contact. Then you need to click on tap to unblock and then you need to click on unblock again. So now you can see that this contact is unblocked. So this is a simple process by which you can block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.